Welcome to Tech World channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change picture mode in your Haier Google TV. So at first just go to your TV home screen and then you have to open up your TV settings. At the corner you can see a gear up icon. You have to just select it and then go to all settings option. You can also press this settings button from your remote to open up your TV settings. Then you have to go all settings option. After that scroll down and go to display and sound option. Then go to picture and at the top you can see picture mode option. Then just select it and then press OK. And that's it. Now here you can see so many options: user, standard, vivid, sport, movie, game and energy saving. And you can choose or select any picture mode as you like. Suppose if you want to set vivid, you have to just select it and then press OK button from your remote. And it's done. And then go to home screen. Now if I open YouTube, and that's it. Now the picture mode has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change picture mode in your Haier Google TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.